Welcome to AIM. We appreciate your business and we look forward to helping you grow your business with our proven retail solutions. This video primer series is intended to acquaint you with our products and establish a foundation for continued learning so that you can make the most of your prepaid one-on-one training. Let's get started by becoming familiar with getting around the program. When you first log in, you'll be at our main menu. From here, you can reach any part of the software, both back-end and point of sale. You will see buttons that lead to submenus, which will lead to applications within the software we refer to as forms, as well as your reports. AIM consists of interconnected modules that all talk to each other in real time, meaning that any inventory you receive at one computer immediately updates quantities at other computers, as well as bookkeeping records, ordering amounts, and so on. AIM's base package consists of the inventory and customer modules, a complete point-of-sale register including layaways, proposals, approvals, delayed deliveries, charge sales, and open accounts receivable payments, return functions, and more, full employee setup, security and time clock, one store location, and one computer workstation license. Other modules can be purchased as needed and include short-term rentals, long-term contracts, purchase order tracking, accounts payable, general ledger and bookkeeping, contact management correspondence tracking, repair and service, lesson scheduling, and email capabilities, as well as licensing for additional store locations and simultaneous computer workstations. You can see your licensing at any time by going to the Help menu, then choosing About AIM. When you are first implementing AIM, you'll likely spend much of your time in the maintenance menus. Each module has a maintenance menu and allows you to build the underlying framework, such as inventory categories, customer types, and more. There's also a general maintenance menu where you'll find global settings such as tax rates, computer settings, menu editors, and more. Typically, once you've fleshed out how you want your software to operate with these settings, you'll find yourself accessing these menus less often than others. The Modules menus are your daily back-office functions where you'll find your normal operations outside of point of sale, such as adding and changing inventory and customers, accessing histories, printing labels, and more. The Reports menus will be where you can find and run all of your reports, including print jobs you may not normally consider reports, such as customer statement runs, batch check printing, and marketing and email blasts. AIM has over 200 reports for you to access, and many of these can be automated using a task scheduler available in Windows. The Admin menu contains all of your administrative routines, such as employee setup and security protocols, a reverse menu for voiding transactions posted in error, and a Utilities menu where you'll find backup routines, task creation applications, and other functions that our support agents can assist with if needed. The File menu has links to functions such as reprinting a last sales receipt, performing a no sale to a connected cash drawer, as well as logging out or exiting the program. Finally, the Help menu has a link to our online manual and technical support references if needed. While you are navigating these menus, the Home and Back buttons up top bring you respectively back to the main menu for that workstation or back one menu from where you were. Along the left-hand side, you'll find our toolbar. This has 4 buttons by default: Point of Sale, Quick Sale, No Sale, and Log Out. All of these buttons and menus are completely customizable, and you can have different custom menus and toolbars for each workstation or even for each employee. Last but not least, you'll notice that at the very top of the screen is a drop-down menu containing everything just discussed. It's important to know that AIM is always constantly growing and improving, and TriTech builds new applications into the software from time to time. These new applications will appear in the drop-down menus, but will not create any new buttons on your touchscreen menus. Updates are released on a regular basis, and you'll be notified of new releases via a message at the top of the screen when you log in. We recommend being on the latest update at all times if possible, but in the event you miss an update, running the latest update will always install all changes between your current version and the latest. In the next primer video, we'll start exploring how to set up your installation beginning with inventory. However, you can watch these videos in any order, and if you have questions at any point, we're always just a phone call away. Thanks for watching.